Hey, I'm Cameron with Fiberglass Florida. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about the 3M Accuspray spray gun system. It's a very versatile and unique spray gun system. And with the same gun, it accepts a whole variety of different size cups, as well as a whole variety of different size tips that are very easy to change out, from 2.0 if you're shooting gel coat or primer, all the way down to 1.2 if you're spraying some top coat. So 3M offers the gun in a variety of different kits. You can buy it just the gun. You can buy the gun with a few tips. You can buy a nice case that gives you a little bit of everything to get started, which is the most popular one. But for the most part, you'll get the gun. The gun comes in two different main varieties. There's a very typical HVLP kind of version, and then there's also the HGP, which uses the back pressure from the gun to actually help force out whatever kind of product you're pushing. And so without actually pulling the trigger fully, you'll be able to use the back pressure from the gun. It'll run through this tube and it'll help crush this liner. That'll help push any kind of product you have inside the cup and help force it out of the gun. You can see, just crush it down to nothing. This is the gun here. It's got two different adjustments on the back, and you can see the needle is just exposed, and you actually take the tip itself and slides right over the needle, and there's a pressure clip fitting. Snaps right in, nice and tight. And from there you can decide what size cup you're using. So this is the small, they call this the mini. And you have to get the cup, which is reusable, use this a million times. And this is the liner. It's very, very light plastic. It slips right down inside the cup. This is the lid here. It's got a micron mesh in there. If you're spraying gel coat or something kind of thick, you can cut that out as long as you strain your material beforehand. The lid snaps right in there and kind of becomes one with the liner. You screw on the tip, and then this clicks right on to the top of the gun, and you're ready to spray. If you want to use a different size tip, you can take that off, click on a 1.2 tip, do a fresh cup and liner, and you're ready to spray again. We're going to do some demonstrations and get our hands a little dirty and show you guys how exactly the gun works and how easy it is to change out the tips and all that stuff.
Yeah, how you doing? I'm Rick at the Skiff Shop, and I want to go over a little bit about the PPS system that we use here. The PPS system actually takes the place of your metal container that goes on top that holds your fluid. Just unscrew it, screw this adapter fitting back on there, and it allows you to take your cups, your lids, and your liners, put it inside the sleeve, put your lid on, put your cap on with the fluid in, make sure this is good and tight so nothing leaks out. And this just cinches down on the lid, and you turn it, and that locks it in place. Hold it like this, upside down, and use the trigger, get all the air out of it, create a vacuum. Once the air is out, you can use your gun in any direction, spraying upside down, spraying right side up, however you want to do. If you're underneath something, you can spray underneath something if you like. And the other good thing about it is, also the PPS system comes in different sizes, the lids and the cups and all that stuff. I have a 6-ounce here with a different liner, different cup, and it works the same way. You have the lid. It's got the same fitting on the top of it, which is universal to the gun that you have here. And it all works the same way. So if you don't have a big job, you don't want to spray, just a small one, you don't have to go to the 22-ounce or the 32-ounce that they make. You can actually go with a 6-ounce. So today I'm using the 22-ounce. I'm going to shoot skid on the boat behind me and just use the PPS system and go from there.
If you have any more questions, give us a call or come by one of our fiberglass Florida locations and we'll be more than happy to help you out.